In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add another account on Roblox. Adding another account on Roblox can be helpful for separating different activities, such as using one account for serious gameplay or social interaction, and another for testing games, experimenting with avatar styles, or trying new experiences without affecting your main profile. To do this, simply head to Roblox. You just want to tap on the More button, and then scroll to the very bottom. Select onto the option of Switch Accounts, and select on Add Account. Now, you can either add an existing account by just entering in your password and username, or simply create another account. You just want to enter the account credentials and proceed. Well, that's how easy it is to add another account on Roblox. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.